this or that. Befriend a lion that protects you, but requires daily challenges. Oh, have a mischievous monkey that brings you treasure but gets you into trouble. My choice is I'd choose to befriend the lion for its protection. This or that. Communicate with aliens obsessed with Earth's reality shows. Or discuss quantum physics with aliens who only want to talk about science. My choice is I choose to discuss quantum physics for a deeper understanding. This or that. Live in a world where everyone speaks the same language? Experience different cultural traditions in a diverse community? My choice is I choose to experience different cultural traditions.